Hey everyone, this is Juno with Detour Shirts. Let's talk about what it would take to make 10K a month selling shirts with merch by Amazon. I did a search on Google and so many people want to make 10K a month. It's a nice round number, and by doing so, you will also make over 100K a year. Making 6 figures a year is a nice goal. When I talk about 10K a month, I'm talking about royalties, your take-home money. Not what Amazon makes, your cut from Amazon. Before I get into the how, I wanted to let you know that this is totally possible. You may have seen posts like this on Instagram, on YouTube, or the internet. Not many people can make 10K a month, but it is possible. You may have heard it said that merch by Amazon is a number game. It kinda is. Since it's a numbers game, let's do the math. Don't worry, this is going to be really simple math. Here's what I call my 10K a month formula. Super simple. You'll need just 2 numbers from your merch account to do the math. Your total designs live and your last month's profit. Plug those numbers into the formula and then we can figure out the total designs you'll need to make 10K. These 2 numbers together is what I like to call your profit per design ratio. Now, I'm not an accountant, nor do I have a business or economics degree, so there may be an actual business phrase, but I call it profit per design ratio. Here's a simple screenshot from Pretty Merch, where you will find the numbers you'll need to plug into the formula. This screenshot is from a YouTuber who does really well on merch for the amount of designs live and has a really good ratio. Here we have those numbers again, shown added to the formula. Using basic algebra, we added 10K to both sides, and to get the number of designs this YouTuber will need to get 10K a month. This is how many designs this YouTuber will need to make 10K a month. Remember, this is a really good ratio. You may not have the same answer. When I did this for me, I needed to do 22,000 designs. You may be thinking, that's it? I just have to upload 5,000 designs? No, not really. There are many factors. First, this probably isn't your profit per design ratio. Second, this is only assuming everything stays the same. Last month could be a good month, or it could be a bad month. What you really need to concentrate on is creating designs that sell, and sell well. Merch has a lot of competition now. Designs that sell well take research and good design. Throwing up 5,000 text designs won't do it. You'll also need to remember the life cycle of shirts. That St. Patrick's Day design, for example, will sell well in the beginning of the year, but probably won't do well the rest of the year. This will change your profit per design ratio later in the year. Because of all those factors, you probably should double that design number you got before just to be safe. That's a lot of designs. You will probably need to get help. Doing it yourself will take a really long time. The biggest thing to remember is that it's the quality of the uploads that will determine your profit per design ratio. Make sure you do the research and put up your best work. It's better to have designs that sell and sell well. To recap, what would it take to make 10K a month? First, use the formula to figure out how many designs you will need to upload. Second, double that number just to be safe. Third, do the research and create quality designs that sell well. And fourth, get help to create and upload designs. Good luck. It's a lot of work, but it is possible. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what else you would like to see in the future. Until next time, bye.